In this video, I'll show you how to hold crypto in Binance. First, create or log into your account at Binance. If you're a new user, complete the identity verification process before continuing. Next, deposit cryptocurrency into your Binance account. You can do this by clicking Deposit, selecting Crypto, choosing the coin you want to receive, and sending funds to the provided wallet address. After that, if you don't already own cryptocurrency, you can buy it directly on Binance. Go to the Buy Crypto section, choose the cryptocurrency you want, enter the amount, and complete the purchase. Now that the crypto is in your account, simply keep it in your Binance Spot wallet. You can view your balances at any time by going to Wallet and then Spot. Next, avoid selling, converting, or withdrawing the cryptocurrency if your goal is to hold it long term. Your crypto will remain in your wallet until you decide to move or trade it. After that, you can monitor the value of your holdings through the Wallet section and track market prices directly from the Binance app or website. Finally, consider enabling security features such as two-factor authentication, withdrawal protection, and anti-phishing codes to help keep your account secure while holding cryptocurrency. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to hold crypto in Binance. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.